How to delete all posts on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. You'll find this kind of screen pop up after you log in. Simply click on three lines on top right. Then scroll down till you find Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. After that, simply scroll down. After you scroll down, you'll find activity option. Click on activity option, which is activity log. In here, simply click on your Facebook activity and then click on manage posts. Then go to filters and click on categories. In categories, make sure you click on your post. In here, you can select all on top and then click on trash. All the posts from your Facebook will be deleted. This is how to delete all posts on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.